Little wise, wise replies. Welcome to KidSay.
Hey there, stargazers and curious thinkers. I'm Ari, your guide through the galaxy of questions. And this is KidSay, the podcast where you ask and we explore. Today's question is spinning into our inbox from curious kids everywhere. Why does the Earth spin? Ooh, now that's a big one. So buckle your space belts, grab your telescopes, or maybe just your imagination, and get ready for a trip through time, space, and science. And hey, if you have a question that's been bouncing around your brain, don't forget to send it through the KidSpace Stories and Music app. It's free on the App Store and Google Play. That's the only place to reach me, and maybe even get your voice featured here. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, liftoff. Okay, picture this. You're standing on Earth, just chillin'. Seems still, right? But actually, we're spinning really, really fast. Like, over 1,000 kilometers per hour fast. That's faster than a race car, faster than a cheetah, faster than your brain can say, whoa! But why? Why is Earth spinning in the first place? Let's rewind the cosmic clock. Around 4.5 billion years ago, yep, billion with a B, there was no Earth, no moon, no kittens, no ice cream, just a giant cloud of gas and dust floating in space. Then, boom! A massive explosion. Gravity took over and pulled everything together. It's like a cosmic dance party, and all that gas and dust started to spin. Why? Because of something called angular momentum. That's a fancy science word that basically means if you spin something and nothing stops it, it keeps spinning. Ever spun a fidget spinner? Or rolled a ball across the floor? Same idea. Once it starts spinning, it keeps going, unless something slows it down. And since there's no air in space, no friction, Earth just kept spinning, and yep, still spinning. So what if the Earth suddenly hit the brakes? What would happen? Well, let's just say it would be bad news. If Earth stopped spinning all at once, everything not nailed down, oceans, people, cars, your pet hamster, would go flying eastward at over 1,000 kilometers per hour. Yikes. Also, day and night would be totally messed up. One side of the planet would have constant sunlight, while the other side would freeze in endless darkness. No thanks. So yeah, let's keep spinning, please. Okay, Ari, you might ask, if the Earth is spinning, how come we don't feel it? Great question. Imagine you're on a smooth train ride. If the ride is steady and you're not looking out the window, you don't feel like you're moving at all. Same thing with Earth. It's spinning smoothly and we're moving with it. So we don't feel the spin, but we can see the effects. Like how the sun rises and sets. That's not the sun moving, that's us spinning. Also, Foucault's pendulum, a giant swinging thingy, proved the Earth spins by showing how its path changes over time. Science magic. Facts. Jupiter spins even faster than Earth. One full turn in just 10 hours. The moon spins too, but super slowly. That's why we always see the same side. Earth's spin helps create weather patterns, like trade winds and hurricanes. A full spin equals 24 hours equals 1 day. Thanks, Earth. So the Earth spins because it was born that way, spinning since the beginning of time, and it's not planning to stop anytime soon. And even though we can't feel it, every sunrise, every sunset, every twirl of a weather pattern is a reminder that we're all dancing on a giant spinning rock in space. Kinda cool, huh? Thanks for spinning through today's KidSay with me. Don't forget, if you've got a question about space, science, or why your socks keep disappearing, send it through the KidSpace Stories and Music app. It's free on the App Store and Google Play. Until next time, stay curious, stay silly, and keep spinning, friends. This episode was brought to you with help from NASA, National Geographic Kids, and the cosmic force of curiosity.
That's it for today's episode of KidSay. If something made you wonder, that's a good thing. Big questions, little thoughts, even the weird ones. We love them all. So if you're curious about anything, open the KidSpace Stories and Music app on iOS or Android and ask us. It's free. And it all starts with your question. Until next time, stay curious and keep asking.